Hi everyone, hope you're having a nice morning. It's Monday and you just did a really hard thing. You turned in your paper. Congratulations. I hope that went okay. Um, we're going to move into the next module, which is pretty chill. Society and social interaction. So how do societies form? How do they come to be? Kind of what's the evolution of societies, and what kind of society are we living in right now? Are we post-industrial? What does that look like? Those sorts of things. And then we'll look at social interaction, look at things like the looking glass self, and which you kind of did last week, but you'll do it again. And then the Irving Goffman's social Irving Goffman's life is a stage kind of stuff. So how we are actors in this play of life. So you get to do a little exercise. You have the self in context assignment, and I promise, like, this one is a piece of cake. If you haven't looked at it, I really said have fun. I gave you an example of what I did, and I really, and it's old what I did, and it's funky because, you know, I'm not super artsy, but have fun with it. Literally have fun with it. Do not sweat it. Just tell me your story in an artistic way or in a, brief 2 to 3 pages. If you're going to do something like this, where you're kind of telling a story and there's some sort of image, you don't need to also do the 2 to 3 pages. Just maybe that, like, have a little explanation. But for some of you that are like, I hate that, I don't want to do that, I hear ya. You don't have to. You could just write 2 to 3 pages. Either way, it's up to you. But I just want you to know that this assignment is meant to be fun, and it's responding to the clip that Dr. Boyd has on, that I have from my colleague, Dr. Boyd. Pardon that very loud dog. He's really got a big mouth. Hey, quiet. So you're going to watch this clip, right? How we learn to be by Dr. Boyd. It's a short little clip. Where did it go? It's got to be here somewhere. Let's see. Here it is. The socially constructed reality and the self. So you're going to watch this clip. Like I said, it's about 5 minutes. And then you're going to respond to it. And how you respond to it is what the self and context assignment is. Like I said, it can be artistic. It can just be words if you want. And it's going to mirror some of the stuff that you put in your socialization paper, and that's okay. Okay? Because we're still kind of thinking about ourself in context to sociology. So again, I hope you have a fun time with this one. And I hope you feel proud that you got through the socialization paper, because that is actually the biggest assignment, right? And you did it. And so I'm not going to say it's all downhill from here, but I think you did the bulk of hard work. So we'll have a midterm and a final. And of course, we'll have your posts. But congratulations, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.